Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing another wig from Lolly Hair. I love the wig that I had last time, so of course I'm working with them. This is the goodies that they sent over in the packaging. I like how they sent over like a wig hanger, and all of their stuff is perfectly branded. The wig that I'm going to be trying on today is a 13x6 wig. This is their body wave wig. It's in the natural black color and it's 26 inches. Look at the hairline. Look, they already pre-plucked the hairline, pre-bleached the hairline, everything. This is like one of the best pre-plucking job I've seen. It looks impeccable, so I didn't have to do anything to it. I'm showing you guys the construction of the wig. You get 2 clips on the side, you get a clip in the back, and you get an adjustable strap. I'm starting by tinting the lace. I'm using the Even Lace Setting Spray and my foundation color, and that gives me the perfect shade. And then I'm just going to use some hairspray so that I can lock it in so that the foundation stuff doesn't transfer. I'm just putting on the black wig cap, and I'm just going to try it on before I cut any of the lace and everything. And I'm just showing you guys what the hairline looks like when I haven't done anything to it. It looks very natural, and they did a really good job of plucking. So I'm just trying to figure out where I want my part to be. I decided to do a side part. Now I'm just hot combing the hair a little bit so that my part can be defined, and I'm just hot combing all of the hair to the back because I'm about to get ready to cut it off, and I don't want to cut any of the hair off. And I'm just putting a little bit of hairspray. This is my light hold hairspray. This is just so I can push all the hair to the back. I don't want it to be too heavy of a hold. I just want it to be a light hold, not nothing too heavy. And then I'm gonna also go back in with my hot comb to make sure all of the hair is going to the back. And then finally I'm about to cut the lace off, and I'm cutting the lace off in a zigzag motion, really close to the hairline. Now I'm just trying to wig back on, then we're going to go ahead and lay it down. I'm using my black Even lace spray, and I'm going to do 1 layer of that all across my hairline, and then I'm going to blow dry that on cool. And then once that is like nice and tacky, I'm going to do another layer, and then I'm going to blow dry that again, and then we're going to start laying the wig down. Now I'm just positioning the lace exactly where I want it to be, right over where I sprayed. And then I'm just going to push that in with my hands. And then I'm also going to use the back of my rat tail comb to make sure everything is nice and stuck. Now I'm just using my wipe to wipe off all the excess spray so it doesn't have like any shine or everything. I'm just cleaning everything up, and I'm still pressing the wig into my head because I want to make sure everything is nice and flat. And then I'm gonna do like sprays in certain sections that I feel like needs a little bit more, and I'm just working with it so everything can be looking good. And I'm gonna go over my blow dryer before I put my elastic band on. I try to make sure that everything is dry so it doesn't stick to it. Once I take it off, you guys will see that it's still kind of stuck to it, but that's fine. But you want to try to make sure that everything is dry before so that you can have a seamless install. So I'm just parting my hair again. I'm doing like a C type of part. I like doing that when I do my side parts. And then I'm adding my wax stick on, and then I'm going to hot comb this section even more because I want it to be nice and flat. Now I'm taking off the elastic band because I'm going to do a little bit of baby hairs. Now I'm just adding a little bit of foundation to the hairline because I want it to be a seamless transition. And then I'm just going to start pulling out my baby hairs, and then I'm going to add a little bit of mousse and swoop those. I did very light baby hairs. I just wanted to have like more of a natural look, not nothing too dramatic. And then my final step is to add a little bit of spritz. The spritz just help with the meltdown, and then I'm just going to wipe all the extra away and blow dry. And then I'm going to put the elastic band back on so that it can have more time to melt while I do my makeup and finish styling my hair and all of that good stuff. Now I'm going to cut a couple layers in like the front of the hair so I can frame my face. I am going to go ahead and curl the hair so it can have like a body wave look. So I just want to make sure I have the layers so that everything can lay nicely and it'll be more of a dramatic, I don't know, layers just do it. If you don't do layers, you got to do a little something because it really makes a difference when you're styling your hair. So now I'm just going to part my hair into two sides, and I'm going to start curling my hair towards the back, starting from the bottom, working my way up to the top, and I'm going to do that all over. Okay, so I'm done curling my hair all over. Makeup is done, all of that good stuff, and I'm just finger detangling the curls out. So whenever I curled it, I just wanted it to have like that natural body wave texture, so I've just put that back in pretty much, and I'm just going to brush it out so it can be like an effortless look. And I'm just showing you guys the hair and everything. The hair is nice and long and beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys from the back. I love the luster of it. It has a beautiful shine. I didn't receive any tangling or anything. I really like this hair. This is my second video working with them, and so far I really like their hair. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this wig to you. If you guys like this wig or any other wig from Lolly Hair, I will leave all their links and everything down below in the description. The hairline is absolutely gorgeous, and their parting area looks so natural, like real hair, and I just really like how effortless and easy this install was. I didn't have to do any plucking, any bleaching or anything. Everything was already done for you. So yeah, if you like this wig, check out Lolly Hair. I'll have everything down below in the description. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.